Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I am Monique from Special Occasions by Design, and today we're going to discuss this Boss Baby shower. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to do so and hit the notification bell so you will know when I upload new content. The key to pulling off a successful themed event is to incorporate elements of the theme. Here we incorporated that in the backdrop, the cake, and in cutouts. Now, this mother-to-be was very fond of balloons, so we incorporated balloons in the elaborate backdrop and the centerpieces. Now, also to add to the theme, we created these DIY Boss Baby signage that would assist people coming into this large event center find exactly where the baby shower was. We had a total of 3. The third looked exactly like the one on the left. Now, as I said, this was a very unique baby shower for me. It was for an Indian couple and things were done a little bit differently. We had a smaller dessert table, you see featured here, only 4 foot. And then we had a couch that was placed to the right where the couple would greet their guests. The centerpieces, as I said, featured balloons, and they were simply placed on a fixed balloon stand. I handcrafted these Boss Baby suitcases. I ordered some cutouts, and I added decals to baby bottles that also doubled as a part of a game that they played. Now, to pull the theme together and add more pieces to the room, I created these wrapped boxes with wrapping paper and stickers showing Boss Baby. My favorite feature was the 10-foot by 10-foot backdrop that featured this balloon arch and was the perfect focal point for the baby shower. This is the entire setup. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day.